is humidity and atmospheric pressure. We have studied two factors influencing atmospheric pressure. Third factor is humidity. What is humidity? Humidity refers to the quantity of water present in the atmosphere. Listen, quantity of water present in the atmosphere is known as humidity. Water vapor is lighter than air. An important point, you should understand. Water vapor is lighter than air and hence it ascends. If the quantity of water vapor is more in a unit volume of air, then naturally the atmospheric pressure will be less. Humidity and atmospheric pressure are inversely proportional. നമ്മൾ മറ്റു ഫാക്ടേഴ്സിനെ പോലെ തന്നെ ഈ ഹ്യൂമിഡിറ്റിയും അറ്റ്മോസ്ഫിയറിക് പ്രഷറും തമ്മിൽ ഇൻവേഴ്സലി പ്രൊപ്പോർഷണലാണ്, വിപരീതാനുപാതത്തിലാണ്. Listen, two places at the same elevation are marked as a A and B in the figures. Which of these has a low atmospheric pressure? Listen, look the picture, look the figure. We can find answer. Question is, which of these has a low atmospheric pressure? Why? A, located in the coastal area. A, located in the coastal area. B is located away from the coastal area. Humidity in the atmosphere of the region near coastal area will be more. The atmospheric pressure will be less here. So, A has low atmospheric pressure. Next, listen. We have understood altitude, atmosphere, temperature, humidity are the factors influencing atmospheric pressure. Altitude, temperature and humidity experienced in a region influence the atmospheric pressure. Variations in atmospheric pressure occur in accordance with the variations in the above factors. Our factors atmospheric pressure influence ചെയ്യുന്ന വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ആണ്. അവ നമ്മൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. These factors are inversely proportional with atmospheric pressure. Students, if the atmospheric pressure of an area is lower than that of the surrounding areas, it can be designated as high pressure. High pressure. High, letter H indicating. Isotherms. What is meant by isotherms? We have understood. Isotherms are imaginary lines connecting places having equal atmospheric temperature reduced to mean sea level are called isotherms. The imaginary lines connecting places having equal atmospheric temperature reduced to mean sea level are called isotherms. Okay, we have to understand very important idea, isobars. Here we are going to study isobars. Similarly, isobars are the imaginary lines joining places having the same atmospheric pressure. Same atmospheric pressure. Isobars are the imaginary lines joining places having the same atmospheric pressure. We can easily understand the distribution of the atmospheric pressure of any region by observing the isobars. Listen, understand. Isobars are the imaginary lines joining places having the same atmospheric pressure. Okay, we can easily understand the distribution of atmospheric pressure of any region by observing isobars. Okay, it shows the distribution of atmospheric pressure of a region in two different seasons. Okay, my dear students, we have discussed what is atmospheric pressure, different factors influencing atmospheric pressure. Altitude, temperature, humidity are the factors influencing atmospheric pressure. These factors are inversely proportional with atmospheric pressure. Okay, you have to understand the important factors. Next, our topic is global pressure belts. Global pressure belts. What is meant by global pressure belts? Studies have revealed that the atmospheric pressure is more or less the same between certain latitudes. Listen, understand. Between certain latitudes, atmospheric pressure is more or less the same. Okay. Based on this, the Earth's surface is divided into different pressure belts. Listen, the atmospheric pressure is more or less the same between certain latitudes. Based on this, Earth's surface is divided into different pressure belts. Okay, understand? Various pressure belts on the Earth. These are known as global pressure belts. Okay, first one, equatorial low pressure belt. Equatorial low pressure belt. Second one, subtropical high pressure belt. Subpolar low pressure belt. Polar high pressure belt. Okay, we can discuss all these points in next class. Okay, understand? You have understood? Okay, thank you. Let's see in the next class with this topic, global pressure belts. Okay, thank you.